bye-bye. And I'm sorry to do this to you, but bye-bye is a parting phrase, and it's one of those things that they have taken from English. So there you go.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Now they do put a high tone on the first bye, though. So it's bye, bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Oh, and don't forget to put krap on the end. Bye bye krap if you're a guy, and bye bye ka or bye bye ka. No, it'd be bye bye krap if you're a guy, and bye bye ka if you're a female.
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, thetailanguage.com. thetailanguage.com.